Everyone. This is Josh Ocasio from class Digital 3043, and I'm going to be playing Street Fighter today. Okay. So as you can see, the graphics are quite dated, being entirely made of pixel art and stuff. But for the most part, the color scheme is actually very appealing. This is the Japanese setting. You see, for in Street Fighter 1, we get to travel the world just like in the other Street Fighters, and face off against all these opponents. So let's go face off against. So let's see. Let's turn this back on. And wow, he just sucker kicked me. Okay. Now the graphics in comparison to of today's graphics, it's quite. Oh wow, I did not expect that. I had no idea what that stun frame was. But yeah, in comparison of today's graphics, it's quite different. Like this is very simple 2D animations, while nowadays it's more complex, rendered, like beautiful 3D stuff. So I mean, but don't get me wrong, 2D has its own charm. I mean, I still love anime after all. So let's see. All right, we're getting some stuff done on Retsu. Yeah, come on. So unlike the Street Fighter Five, like the combos are very bland. Very simple. This was Capcom's first time doing a fighter game, so I guess that's to be expected. Okay, so come on. Ah, damn. Come on. Ah. Yeah, for the most part, I could get away with doing this like any other beat 'em up. Just spam clicking the punch. It's kind of fun. Kind of fun. Oh, what strength! But don't forget there. So I guess people back then were able to read faster than what I can because it went really quick. Oh, Ninja Arts. So I tried this game earlier and like faced off against Joe, and wow, he was not fun to deal with. America's got some of the strongest people out there. In fact, one of them actually just like hit me for like all of my HP. So it's kind of interesting seeing how Japan is weaker. Mount Fuji is in the background. All right. So let's see. Scoring. So it seems like for each of the light punches, oh, I get like 100 points, and I don't really know what these scores are supposed to do at the end of the day. They're just kind of like the to show how good you are, I guess. But clearly, I'm not very good at this game. Can't even jump for some reason. So I just barely won. Okay. All right, now it seems like I get to face Joe. So let's see how this goes. Now, like I said before, he destroyed me. He's like, my God, all these kicks and stuff. So hopefully this works. Wow. Just sucker punched me in the face. Man, look at these boxers, man. They could give Floyd Mayweather a run for his money. Oh man. Oh, kick my ass. Oh my God. Okay, I'm not gonna survive this, am I? Yep. No. No. Oh, it's crazy. Okay. Yep. That's all my HP. Yep. And I'm dead. Anyway, time to show a direct comparison of this game to Street Fighter 5. It's quite a huge difference. Alright. Now, as I mentioned before, the set pieces in this game they're way more lively and like way more realistic in comparison to the pixel graphics. So, as for combos, they get crazy. Oh, poor Ken didn't stand a chance. Okay, that kind of gets my point across. But yeah, so that's the video. So yeah, tell me how I did, I guess.